In today's video, we will discuss why your dashboard is flickering and how to fix it. Your dashboard lights may flicker due to battery issues, indicating that your battery isn't charging properly or has loose and corroded connections. To address this, tighten any loose connections and clean off the corrosion. If the problem persists, perform a load test on your battery. To conduct a load test, switch on your car's headlights and leave them on for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, start the engine with the lights on and observe their brightness. If the lights dim slightly, the battery is okay. If they dim significantly, recharge or replace the battery. If the flickering continues, the alternator might be faulty. The alternator charges the battery and other electrical components, and its failure can cause flickering dash lights. Check for signs like the alternator or generator warning light flickering on the dash, other dimming components, a groaning sound from the engine, or the smell of burnt wires. If you notice these signs, replace the alternator. Another possible cause is a faulty ignition switch. To replace it, remove the steering column cover, disconnect the wire harnesses, and remove the old ignition switch. Connect the wires to the new switch, secure it with screws, and reattach the steering column cover. Check if the flickering issue is resolved. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.